Welcome dear students. Today in this video lecture we are going to solve the numerical based on the case that we have discussed in the previous lecture, that flow of viscous fluid through the circular pipe as well as the flow between two fixed parallel plate. So let's start with the numerical number 1. Calculate the pressure gradient, the shear stress at the two horizontal parallel plates, and the discharge per meter width of laminar flow of oil with a maximum velocity of 3 meter per second between the two horizontal parallel fixed plate which are 150 millimeter apart. Take the dynamic viscosity, that is 2.5 Newton second per meter square. So student, here the case is given, that is the horizontal parallel fixed plate, and the flow of this viscous fluids happens between these two plates. So let we first plot the situations given in this numerical. So there are two fixed plates are there between which the flow of viscous fluids happen, and these plates are 150 millimeter apart from each other. So in technical term T is given, as well as the maximum velocity of the fluid is given, U max, that is 3 meter per seconds. So now students, first we write the given data. So here first U max is given, which is equals to 3 meter per second. Then T, that is the distance between the two plate, is given 150 millimeter, which is equals to 0.15 meter. Then mu is given, that is 2.5 Newton second per meter square. We need to find the pressure gradient dP by dx, then shear stress at wall, which is indicated by tau naught, and the discharge per unit width, that is Q. So let we calculate first the pressure gradient from the U max. So we apply the formula. First we calculate the pressure gradient. So the formula of U max is U max equals to minus 1 upon 8 mu del P by del X into T square. So we have the value of U max, T and mu, and from that we calculate this dP by dx or del P by del X. So we first make subject del P by del X, which is equals to the U max into 8 mu divided by T square, which is minus sign. Now we put down the value. So it is, the U max is 3, 8, and here it is a 2.5 divided by T, that is 0.15 whole to the power 2, and from that we get del P by del X, that is minus 2666.66. It is we can write that a Newton per meter square per meter. Now students, after finding out the value of pressure gradient, we are going to calculate the shear stress value at y equals to T, means at wall. So we are going to find it out, the tau naught. So tau naught, we know the formula, tau naught equals to the minus 1 by 2 del P by del X into T. Now students, we have the value of del P by del X, which is equals to minus 2666.66 into the value of T is 0.15. So finally we get the answer of tau naught, which is the 200 Newton per millimeter square. Now students, after calculations of shear stress, we are calculating the discharge rate. So Q, discharge is indicated Q, which is equals to the average velocity into the area. So U cut into T into 1, because we are finding out the discharge per unit width. We know the U cut is having the value of 2 by 3 of U max. So we put it down that relation and multiplying with the t. So we get 2 by 3, u max is 3 into the t having a value of 0.15. So our final answer for discharge, that is 0.3 meter cube per seconds per meter of width. So this is our answer. So students, in this way we are able to solve this numerical. Now numerical number 2. Numerical number 2 is also similar to the numerical number 1. The two parallel plate 80 mm apart having a laminar flow of oil between them with a maximum velocity of flow is 1.5 meter per second. Calculate the discharge per meter width, shear stress at plate, the difference in the pressure between the 2 points 20 meter apart, and fourth one, the velocity gradient at the plate and the velocity at 20 millimeter from the plate. Assume that viscosity of oil is 24.5 poise. So students, it is same numericals. Again we have these two parallel plates in between which the flow of viscous fluids are take place, and these plates are apart at 80 millimeters. The u max is given, u max is 1.5, and in this numerical additionally we need to calculate the pressure difference between the point of 20 meter apart. So here the L is given, which is 20 meter. So first students, we write down the given data. So here the T distance between the two plate is 80 millimeter. U max is given, U max is 1.5 meter per second. Then mu is given, mu is 24.5 poise. We convert this unit of poise to the Newton second per meter square. So it becomes a 2.45. Width is we take as a unit, so width we take as a 1 unit. The length between the 2 point on the plate is given, that is 20 meter, and y is given, that is 20 millimeter, at which we need to calculate the velocity. So students, let's we start with the first. Here we know that average velocity is 2 by 3 times of the maximum velocity. So first we calculate the average velocity. So 2 by 3 into the u max, that is 1.5. So we get 1 meter per second. So that is our average velocity. Now students, first we calculate the discharge. So discharge equals to the u cut into the area. So u cut into t into width is unit. So now we get 1 into this 80 divided by 1000, because we need to convert this millimeter into the meter, and here it is 1. So finally we get the discharge 0.08 meter cube per second. Second things we need to calculate, that is shear stress at plate. So second we need to calculate the tau naught. So tau naught, we know the formula, that is minus 1 by 2 del p by del x into t. So tau naught equals to minus 1 by 2 del p by del x into t is 0.08. Now students, the value of del p by del x is unknown to us, so we apply the formula of u average, that is equals to minus 1 by 12 mu del p by del x into t square. Now from that we put down the value and we make the subjects del p by del x. So minus del p by del x equals to 12 mu u cut divided by t square. Now we put down the value 12 into mu, that is a 2.45 into u cut is 1 divided by t, that is 0.08 whole to the power 2.
So we get del P by del X, that is 4593.75 Newton per meter square per meter. Now we put down this value in the shear stress. So we get the value of tau. So tau naught equals to -1/2 into 4593.75 into 0.08. So the value of tau we get, that is 183.75 Newton per meter square. Here the value is minus. Now then third is the pressure difference. So we calculate the pressure difference, which is indicated by delta P, having the formula of 12 mu u cut L divided by T square. So we put down the value 12. The mu is having a value of 2.45 into u cut is 1. Then the length between the 2 points is given, that is 20 meter apart. So we need to multiply it with the 20 divided by the T, that is 0.08 whole to the power 2. So we get the pressure difference, that is 91.875 kilopascal. That is a pressure difference between the 2 points, which is 20 meter apart in this case. Now students, last one, that fourth is velocity gradient. So velocity gradient, that is del u by del y. So students, we know the law of Newton's for viscosity, tau equals to mu del u by del y. Now we make subject del u by del y, so it becomes a tau by mu. So tau we know the value, that is 183.75 divided by mu, that is 2.45. So we get del u by del y, which is equals to 75 1 by second, means the second inverse. That is the unit of velocity gradient. Now student, last we need to calculate fifth one, that the velocity u where the value of y is 20. We know the formula of u at particular y, that is -1/2 mu del P by del X into Ty minus y square. So now students, we calculate this value. We know that u at particular y, the formula is -1/2 mu del P by del X into Ty minus y square. Here we need to calculate the velocity at 20 millimeter from the wall. So we put down the y equals to 20 millimeter, which is 0.02 meter. So we get y equals to 20 millimeter, that is equals to -1/2, the mu having a value of 2.45 into the value of delta P, that is -4593.75 into the T, that is 0.08 into y is 0.02 minus y square means 0.02 whole to the power 2, it is in bracket. So we get the y equals to 20 millimeter, that is 1.125 meter per second. So this is our final answer. Now students, we are moving towards the next numerical number 3. Numerical number 3. A laminar flow is taking place in a pipe of diameter. Means students, this is a case of the flow of viscous fluid through the circular pipe. Having the diameter of 200 millimeter, the maximum velocity is 1.5 meter per second. Find the mean velocity and the radius at which this occurs. Also calculate the velocity at 4 centimeter from the wall of pipe. Means students, here let we have this pipe. So this is our pipe. having the diameter, this D is 200 millimeter, and the maximum velocity of fluid is given, that is 1.5 meter per seconds. We need to calculate the mean velocity, means u cut, as well as where it occurs, means the radius at which this u cut is occurs, and we also need to calculate the velocity, means u local, where y equals to 4 centimeters from wall. So student, first we write the given data. So here the diameter is given, that is the 200 millimeter, which is equals to 0.2 meter. Then u max is given, that is 1.5 meter per second. We need to calculate the velocity where y equals to 4 centimeter. So it becomes 0.04 meter, and at which we need to calculate the local velocity. So student, first we need to calculate the mean velocity. So we know the relationship between the average velocity or mean velocity from the max velocity. So we know that u max equals to 2 times of u cut. So u cut equals to u max divided by 2. Now u max is there 1.5, which is divided by 2. So we get 0.75 meter per seconds, which is our mean velocity. Now mean velocity occurs, so we need to calculate. So students, if you remember in derivation, we have derived that r equals to 0.707 of capital R. At this radius the mean velocity is occurs. So we need to calculate the small r, which is equals to 707 into r. So it is d by 2. So 0.707 into 0.2 divided by 2. So we get the 0.0707 meter. At this radius our velocity, means local velocities, becomes the mean velocity. Now students, we need to calculate the velocity at the 4 centimeters. So we have the formula to calculate the local velocity in the circular pipe, that u equals to 1 upon 4 mu minus del p by del x into the capital R square minus small r square. In this formula, r equals to capital R minus y. So we have the radius, that is 0.1, and the y is 0.04. So we get small r is 0.06 meter. Now students, in this expression the value of del p by del x is unknown. Also in this numerical the value of mu is not given. So we apply the formula of u cut, which is equals to 1 upon 4 mu into minus del p by del x into r square. Now we make the subject 1 upon 4 mu into del p by del x minus, which is equals to the u cut upon r square. So the value of u cut is 0.75 and the value of r cut is 0.1 whole to the power 2. So we get it is 75. Now we put down this value of minus del p by del x into 1 upon 4 mu over here, as well as r and capital R. So we get the u equals to 75 into capital R, that is 0.1 whole to the power 2 minus small r, that is 0.06 whole to the power 2 in the bracket. So finally we get the value, that is u 0.48 meter per second. So students, final conclusion, y equals to 0.04 meter. The velocity or the local velocity is 0.48 meter per second. So this is our answer. Thank you students for attending this video lecture. Thank you.